So this is salt.
Alright.
I actually saw one experiment on YouTube, so I just felt like let me try it. You get this salt and this water.
Okay.
So I'm going to there's a way I will do it that little of this salt is going to enter this water.
Water.
Yes, this water, like just small particles of the water.
Wait, without opening the hose.
I'll open it for you for sure. But the thing that is there is that when you want to check it, you have to move closer because of the little.
Check what? Check the salt.
The salt. After you have to put your face closer to see it well because it's just little that will enter. Do you get? Yeah. Check it. No, you don't have to move it. Check it. No, not that way.
I will check what?
Like you should check the salt. What now? Did you see the salt? Did you see the salt?
I see. It's plenty.
Just small part.
Come and see salt too. Come and see salt. No! You see salt too. Ah no, no, today you see salt. Come and see it. Where is the salt? No, listen, I did. Whoa. Where is salt?
I'm not seeing any salt.
How do salt is that? Oh, you don't even need to see salt. Don't worry, you will see powder. Don't worry, you will see powder.
That's powder now.
You will see powder inside
Yeah,
the water.
sorry.
Powder.
I did not mean it.
You always come my own eyes. You always do me what?
I did not. Sorry. Sorry.
No. Wait.
At least you use normal
Check
powder.
my Instagram. And I saw one prank video. Wait now. Why are you scared? Calm down now. It's a prank video. Sorry. It's not.
I saw an experiment on YouTube. It was
Just
an experiment.
Just chill. Mister, that's an experiment. This one is powder.
It's
powder
they
like
didn't
this.
use methylated powder now.
Don't worry, you'll see this one.
Don't worry.
Wait, how did they even do it? They did like this. Wait, they're laughing. It's funny. They did it like this. You now put my own. They never even put this one here in my own. You see it like this.
What are you saying?
I'm puffing. I'm doing calculation.
Stop. I'm tired.
Oh, see.
I'm not doing it.